Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Maunika from the Department of Basic Science, Program Computer Science and Engineering, Semester First Year, Subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about global warming and ozone layer depletion. Introduction. Global warming is the long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature. Though this warming trend has been going on for a long time, its pace has significantly increased in the last 100 years due to burning of fossil fuels. As the human population has increased, so has the volume of fossil fuels burned. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas, and burning them causes what is known as greenhouse effect in the Earth's atmosphere. The greenhouse effect is when the sun rays penetrate the atmosphere, but when the heat is reflected off the surface, can't escape back into the space. Gases produced by burning of fossil fuels prevent the heat from leaving the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor, methane, and nitrous oxide. The excess of heat in the atmosphere has caused the average global temperature to rise over time, otherwise known as global warming. Causes of global warming. Global warming is typically attributed to the over accumulation of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane in Earth's atmosphere. The excess of greenhouse gases can come from the variety of sources such as burning of fossil fuels, machinery that relies on coal, natural gas, or oil to run releases carbon dioxide as a major greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Deforestation. Deforestation removes the trees that act as a natural greenhouse gas filter, absorbing the carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into our atmosphere. Agricultural practices. Modern farming accounts for more than 10% of all human produced greenhouse gas emissions, largely due to livestock and rice cultivation. Consumer goods. The energy used in manufacturing and transportation of consumer goods leads to the increased greenhouse gas emissions. Mining. Operations that rely on fossil fuels emit significant levels of greenhouse gases. Waste disposal. When plastic and other non-biodegradable waste decompose, it releases toxic gases into the environment. Effects of global warming. Extreme weather events. Global warming has been linked to an increase in extreme weather events such as floods, tornadoes, and hurricanes, which can cause deaths, famine, and disease. Plant and animal extinction. Rising global temperature can cause parts of planets to become uninhabitable for many native plant and animal species. Ocean acidification. Because of escalating carbon dioxide emissions, oceans are becoming more acidic and harmful to the marine life. Dirtier air. Hotter the temperatures lead to the more smog, which can trigger respiratory problems and aggravate existing health conditions. Disappearing polar ice. When the water frozen in polar sea ice melts into the ocean, it can have huge impact on rising sea levels and speed up the heating of the Earth's atmosphere. Global warming and our environmental impact. Our world is heating up. Because of the global warming, temperatures are increasing and extreme weather is becoming more common. If we don't take preventive action now, future generations will be faced with the warmer temperatures as well as higher sea levels, extreme weather events, crop failures, extinction, and other devastating effects. You can help limit the impacts of global warming By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, cutting down on your energy consumptions, and shifting away from fossil fuels. Better still, plant trees around your neighborhood and join a movement that voices support for a clean energy sources. Solar energy is one of the cleanest and most sustainable way to power your home. And as the energy produced does not generate any greenhouse gases, installing a solar panel system on your home has the added benefit of helping to lower your utility bills. Impact on human due to global warming. Extreme heat and poor air quality increases complications from underlying heart and respiratory conditions like asthma, renal failure, and preterm birth. And as the temperature rise, there will be more heat related illness and deaths in both urban and rural areas. Changes in climate can cause decreased yields for some crops and regions, resulting in higher food costs, food insecurity, and undernutrition. Water insecurity is also a concern. Increases in poverty, displacement, migration, violent conflict, and negative effects on mental health are all occurring. How to stop global warming? Use renewable energy. Using solar power, wind energy, or other alternative energy sources can reduce your carbon footprints and may lower your electricity bill. Recycle. Ensure that all waste materials, including paper, plastic, aluminium, and glass, are sent to your local recycling centers or composted whenever possible. Use less power. Turn off the lights and unplug appliances when they are not in use. Opt for sustainable transportation. Walk, bike, carpool, invest in an electric vehicle or switch your daily commute to public transportation instead of driving a vehicle solo. The next topic is ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer is mainly found in lower portion of Earth's atmosphere. It has the potential to absorb around 97 to 99% of the harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun that can cause damage life on Earth. If the ozone layer was absent, millions of people would develop skin diseases and may have weakened immune systems. Ozone layer depletion is thinning of ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. This happens when the chlorine and bromine atoms in the atmosphere come in contact with the ozone and destroy the ozone molecules. One chlorine can destroy 1 lakh molecules of ozone. It is destroyed more quickly than it is created. Chlorofluorocarbons are the most abundant ozone depleting substance. It is only when the chlorine atom reacts with some other molecule it does not react with ozone. The cause of ozone depletion. Ozone depleting substance. Chlorofluorocarbons. Sources from refrigerators, air conditioners, solvents, dry cleaning agents. Ozone depleting substance. Halogens. Sources from fire extinguishers. Ozone depleting substance. Carbon tetrachloride. Sources from fire extinguishers, solvents. Ozone depleting substance. Methyl chloroform. Sources from adhesives and aerosols. Ozone depleting substance. Hydrofluorocarbons. Sources from fire extinguishers, air conditioners, and solvents. Effects of ozone layer depletion. Effects on human health. Humans will be directly exposed to harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun due to Depletion of ozone layer. This might result in serious health issues among humans such as skin diseases, cancer, sunburns, cataract, quick aging and weak immune system. Effects on animals. Direct exposure to ultraviolet radiations leads to skin and eye cancer in animals. Effects on environment. Strong ultraviolet rays may lead to the minimal growth, flowering, and photosynthesis in plants. The forest also have to bear the harmful effects of the ultraviolet rays. Effects of ozone layer. Especially in plants, it changes the color of plants from green to yellow, which decreases the photosynthesis process. It affects the animal and cause skin cancer, and if it affects the humans by causing sunburn. Control measures. Avoid using ozone depleting substance. Reduce the use of ozone depleting substance. Example, avoid the use of CFCs in refrigerators and air conditioners, replacing halon based fire extinguishers, etc. Minimize the use of vehicles. The vehicles emit a large amount of greenhouse gases that lead to global warming as well as ozone depletion. Therefore, the use of vehicles should be minimized as much as possible. Use of eco-friendly cleaning products. Most of the cleaning products have chlorine and bromine releasing chemicals that find a way into the atmosphere and affect the ozone layer. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.